One of the themes of our work over many years has been creative reuse of existing buildings. So we find this an inherently sustainable design approach, reducing embodied carbon, carbon emissions, whole life cycle carbon, but also it generates social regeneration. Many projects in our portfolio use this design strategy, and it's something we've become known for. One of the most successful recently has been Park Hill. It's the largest Grade 2 listed building in the UK, and actually the first residential refurbishment to be shortlisted for the Sterling Prize. Following that project, we've won several others. The most notable one I was going to talk about today is Here East, which is an Olympic legacy project. It's the refurbishment of the press and the broadcast centres on the part of the site that borders onto the canal and Hackney. It's a very large building, 1.2 million square feet. Through collaboration with the client and the community, we have actually designed it now to be attractive to small-scale creative media and start-up businesses, as opposed to simply refurbishing it into commercial office space, as was the original proposal. Together with several other large organisations and a data hub, we feel this is going to create a truly sustainable business community in these reused buildings. So following a number of really successful refurbishment projects, we've embarked on a research partnership with UCL. This 4-year research programme will look into whole life carbon and embodied carbon, and the ambition is to design a toolkit which will be used by designers at the really early stages to make informed decisions about the extent of retention or refurbishment of existing buildings, but also to visually communicate the reasoning behind those decisions back to the client, to planners, to the public. Our hope is that this research will be open and transparent across the industry and also influence government policy in the area.